Hi,
It
Disha.
has traveled the world, and it has reached to the most beautiful and common, person in both of your life, Vedang, you as well, which is Alia. And I, मैंने story देखी थी where she was actually enjoying the song. How special does it feel जब वेदांग आपका भी बहुत प्यारा experience रहा है जिना में. How does it feel when your co-star promotes and loves everything you do so much?
You know, I think she did it purely out of love and just the fondness that she has for all of us, Imtiaz sir as well. I don't think she's that calculated as a person. She just felt like she really liked the song. I think she reached out to all of us. I'm sure she was really busy in Cannes and still she made sure that she put something out for us, which is so sweet and so generous, and it describes her more than anything else. And we're just so grateful to have a cheerleader like that in our lives. And I've had the best experience shooting with her, and I can't wait to, show her soon.
Yeah, and this is not like the first time that she's done something like this. This is for the public to see, but I'm talking about my experience of shooting with her throughout the course of Jigra, and she was like that the whole time. I mean, from day one of me arriving on set, you can imagine the nerves I would have as a young actor doing a scene with Alia, and she made sure I'm feeling okay, everything's okay, made me feel calm, was always there to look out for me. And whenever I talk to Sharvari, she has a very similar experience. So you can find out, you know what kind of a person Alia must be. And she's just done this from the kindness of her heart. She must have enjoyed the song, put it up, and we love her for this.
We're basically Alia Pagloos,
Yeah,
the two of us.
Always lights up the screen whenever you come. And for a project as magical as this, how does your prep change when it's a film by Imtiaz Ali? How does it evolve? Is it much more collaborative?
I think I put in the same amount of hard work that I would put in any film. But of course, I think when it comes to Imtiaz sir, I think I completely leaned on him to guide me in this process. He, like everybody said on the stage, he knows so much about his characters. It's also because of the way he sees them, and I think he also understands human nature so well. That it's very interesting and exciting to sit across Imtiaz sir over like a dinner or a lunch and just understand what he's thinking. And just by conversation, there's so much that you can absorb. So I've always been like a sponge, that I just wanted to know more from him, whether it's about this film, about life, about anything. And I think that I would say that I'm a more far evolved person after meeting him and listening to him and hearing him, and now making him sound like very preachy, but we've had great and fun moments too, and he's very funny, I just want to say, for people who don't know, and we've had such a great time. So honestly, I'm only grateful for this opportunity, and I've learned so much from Imtiaz sir, and I hope I continue to do so.
Hope is the word. I remember watching Amar Singh Chamkila in a theatre, and everyone was crying, and I saw some people going like on the same motion after seeing the trailer. My second question is, so